My name is Jacob Cox. I'm the VP of Electrical and Controls. Been with the company for 14 years.
I'm Daniel Merritt. I'm the VP of Manufacturing Operations, and I've been here for 14 years as well. Yeah, so a lot of our customers are requesting different things. The marketing is getting more involved with the product and really things that engineering is involved in. So a lot of stand-up bags and cases where product in the case really matters. And it complicates things, makes packing more difficult than just lay flat in the box. So we have to make more complicated machines for that, or different ways of doing it that we haven't done in the past. So
we've also had to speed up a lot. Every customer of ours wants to go faster and faster. Produce more product for them, which is better for them, but it requires us to come up with new machinery for it, and we have to design new things, and we have to. Most of the time, we're taking current machinery and adapting it to the higher speeds. But a lot of times we've had to develop, and especially this year, we've developed a lot of new machinery to compensate.
We really focus on improvement and ideas that our customer will like. So.
We also want to focus on just customer service in general. We want to make sure that our customers that we have now are still our customers 1, 3, 5, 10 years in the future. We want to make sure that they are getting the responses they need from us and they're getting the support they need. Everybody wants to work for the benefit of Phallus. Everybody's trying to come up with the end game of trying to produce better machinery for our customers.
Yeah, we have a lot of employees that stay around for a long time. We bring on new employees, and we like the culture to be relaxed, but we're here to solve problems and make the best case packers for our customers.